Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are met. Note which Python installations include idle and back up any user scripts you'll need later. Once done, close idle and terminate Python processes in Task Manager or Activity Monitor so files aren't locked. Then, open your platform's uninstall path. On Windows, use Apps and Features. On Mac OS, inspect /applications and the Frameworks directory, and on Linux, target the Package Manager. You're now ready to remove the idle component or the entire Python distribution. You now perform the removal. On Windows, choose the Python entry and select Modify or Uninstall, ensuring the tkinter/idle checkbox is addressed. Run the installer again if needed to change components. On Mac OS, drag the Python app and associated frameworks to trash, then remove /usr/local/bin symlinks if present. On Linux, use sudo apt remove python3 idle or the equivalent package name, or pips/uninstall for user-level installs. Make sure to preserve other Python environments like virtualenvs if you need them. Finish by cleaning environment settings, edit path and remove python/idle entries, and delete user config folders like idlerc or appdata/local/programs if they're no longer needed. Once cleaned, reboot to clear caches and confirm idle no longer starts. If you still see idle, reinstall the exact Python version and perform a fresh uninstall to fix corrupted uninstall records. This often resolves broken registry entries or leftover symlinks. If problems persist, check for multiple installers or package managers that may have installed idle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.